everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, you could not have picked a better time to be getting involved. I'm calling it, guys, Christmas starts now, at least on this channel. It is November 17th, so we are really getting close to that December 1st mark, which most people would say is the official start of the Christmas season, but I say different. I say what's wrong with celebrating it a little bit longer, a little bit earlier, just having a reason to be happy. There are worse things. So what I've decided to do is a video of me basically getting ready for Christmas in one day. Honestly, I haven't been feeling too festive yet, so I decided to make a list of the things that make me feel festive in the hopes that then I can tick all of these off, and then we'll be feeling Christmassy by the end of this video. Like, let's hope. Okay, so here's the list. What makes me feel Christmassy? Wow, I am such a child. Christmas jumpers, Christmas decorating, Christmas music. We can't include that because of copyright. Christmas candles, Christmas presents, Christmas food and baking, and Christmas movies. Okay, so number one is pretty easy to do, Christmas jumpers. We're currently rocking a Cheesecake Factory situation, but I have a whole literal drawer full of Christmas jumpers. So how about we switch that? Ready? Here we are. Wait, you need to be able to see the pun to fully appreciate it. Make it rain, dear. We have done step one. We're really rolling with it, guys. The next thing on the list, which is gonna take a little bit longer, Christmas decorating. So I'm not gonna do like a big video of me like doing all my decorations and being cute because I'm not a lifestyle vlogger, but I went to Primark and Poundland yesterday and basically raided their Christmas section, and if anyone knows from the UK, they're very good. Let's start with, what do we do? Okay, we might as well jump in with the best thing. If you watched my last vlog, you will have seen this, but from Primark, I got this Disney Christmas pillow, and on the back, there's a space to count down the days till Christmas. It comes with these. Let's get it on. Yeah. How many days is it now? Too many. Can I do that thing? Hello?
Good morning. What can I do for you?
How many days till Christmas?
It's 38 days until then.
Okay, amazing. It's 38 days. I'd never do that. Wow. This is really a lot. Okay, we have a 3. Look at all of these. This is really exciting, guys. Do we do the same color or do we do different? Okay, they started in order and now they're not, and it's stressing me out. Okay, there we go. 38 days, guys. So obviously you need a good place to put a cushion on, and I decided to really do the most for you guys, and let's just go to the bedroom so I can show you how we're getting next level up in here. Okay, I hope you're ready for this. Okay, it's honestly a lot. Yeah. So this was also from Primark, and I saw it in my haul last weekend, and I was like, I want it, but I was like, am I actually gonna get it? It's a lot, that's all I'm gonna say. When I put it out there, I was like, I didn't quite expect Mickey and Minnie to be like that big. But here we are. It comes with 2 pillowcases, a cute little, you know, let's place that there. Joy is truly sparked, guys. Also from Primark, we got, you know what, my hair's being really annoying, so I'm just gonna jump to one of the purchases from Poundland. This is a luxury, wait, you can't see it. Luxury Santa hat. We don't go basic here. We're at 7,000 subscribers now. We can afford the finer things in life. I mean, it was still £1 from Poundland, but still. Okay, that's just much better. We might have to tilt the camera up so you can see it. Struggling. Okay, now you're just tilted. Okay, I'm much happier about life now. Also from Primark, we got this pack of 6 Disney decorations. They're adorable. Yeah, it's like, you can see what they are, but like, I feel like they need to explain everything. I don't know how people do that. And then this one is the creme de la creme. It's a Winnie the Pooh decoration. And it says, the more it snows, the more it keeps on snowing. And if you look, it's a shaky one, so you know it moves when you shake it, the snow. Why am I a child? Let's just open it so I can properly show you. Oh my god, look at Pooh's little face there. Oh, it's too much. There we go. So you may be thinking like, okay, here you go, she's got the bauble, she's got the decorations, where's the tree? We're gonna decorate it. They didn't have a tree that I wanted. They had a pink one, and they had like a blue ombre one that were like 2 feet tall, because we're not getting a full-on tree here, guys. Like, I live alone, and that would be too much for me. But rest assured, I will get a tree to put these up on. They're a bit disproportionately sized, aren't they? I didn't really think this through. Well, I've got it and Joy was sparked, so I can always just take it home and hang it up on our tree at home. Okay, we're going to Poundland now. We have this little decoration, which I'm gonna put on this hook right over here. Oh no, it just fell. I went to hang it up and it's gone down. gone down the back of the sofa, so we'll have to get that later. Okay, but a festive mess. Extra festive edition, you know? It's like Mariah Carey, I'm a mess, but an extra festive edition. We then got this lovely thing, which I'm gonna put in my bedroom. Obviously this was all £1 because Poundland. Then, okay, so this is ticking off 2 boxes right here. So one thing I talked about was that I love presents, but not receiving them. Like, I genuinely, that kind of makes me feel anxious, but I love giving presents. And my friend Amy at work hasn't had an advent calendar in like 5 years. So we saw these and I was like, I'm gonna get them. So we've each got a frozen advent calendar. I assume everyone knows what these are. Do you have them in America? Basically there's like chocolate behind each door and you count down the days till Christmas. So we've got one each and it's super cute. That is taking off food and gifts, but we also have another food. If you were a child growing up in the UK and you didn't get one of these in your stockings, I'm really sorry for you. But basically it's like tubes that fill with candy. Milky Bar buttons were my absolute favorite. Do I try one now? It's like 9 AM. We're doing it. You know, the festive season is basically a time to be like, but it's Christmas about everything. So we're trying it. But that's a pretty good package. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, here they are. Okay, take me back to 2003 when life was simple. Stop the video now. That was a moment for me that you will just witness. These I got in Disneyland Paris last year, but I brought them with me to put up around the flat. It's Chippendale and I love them so much. They're gonna go somewhere and we're gonna go see. Maybe they could go here, maybe. Oh, that's cute. I mean, it's literally a bedroom of a 5-year-old, but it's so cute. And then this tree can definitely go over here. That is a real joyous setup right now. Lifestyle vlogger, here I come. Let's rescue the guy down here. I'm loving it. No regrets are being had. So Christmas candles were also on the list and I've been waiting since last year to use this set. My mum got me from Yankee Candle. I think they have them in the US. It's literally Yankee Candle. Of course they do. Macaron treats. Okay. They're just getting rid of all the flame. Are the candles too old? They're not working. No. Okay, 3rd time's a charm, but we have our candles. Smells sweet and delicious. Also, I just quickly want to say, I did all my shopping using this reusable, oh, I'll poke myself in the eye. This reusable frozen bag, which was like £1 from a store. So we can be Christmassy and festive and still, you know, save the environment. So to do the rest of this list, we're actually gonna have to head out to go see my friend Sam. We're meeting in Leicester Square and I will see you there. Wow, that rhymed. Don't you just love when things rhyme? You feel like Dr. Zeus and like, now I wanna watch The Grinch. No more peace signs, that's enough. Hello, so you know I said I was gonna meet my friend Sam to do Christmassy stuff. We're going to the Frozen 2 premiere. This is crazy.
We're gonna see some superstars on the red carpet.
We're gonna see Idina Menzel, Jonathan Groff, Josh Gad. Hopefully, they're here in London, we have to. On my list of Christmassy things that I wanted to do today included a Christmas film. So I think this counts. Oh my god, let's go. Even better. Let's go get a Christmas drink because Christmas food and drinks was on the list and I'm so excited. Here we go. Yeah.
Sorry,
too late. Into the unknown. Oh my god, I don't. We have come to the Christmas Mecca, Costa Coffee.
We wish you a Merry Christmas.
And a Happy New Year. If I get flagged for copyright for that.
I got a spiced cappuccino. I haven't tried enough to see what the spice is.
Oh, okay. He's heading into the unknown. I should do a tally of how many times we say into the unknown. That is a hazelnut and praline hot chocolate with coconut milk. Right, taste test. Oh wow. How is yours?
It's good, it's good. I haven't figured out what the spice is yet, but it's really nice.
Mine tastes like Christmas cookies. Like really festive Christmas. I feel like I'm being nostalgic. And the cups. Who cares about Starbucks red cups when you've got these? They're so cute. Gonna warm up and then we've got 2 hours until Frozen. 2.
Gotta do some research, gotta get some names to faces.
Yeah, we've gotta do it.
And follow them all on social media.
We'll be like, I'm a big fan. So we're finding out all the people we need to know. Chris Buck, okay.
Co-director.
The key guy.
There's the 3.
That's who we're looking
Chris
out
Buck,
for.
Jennifer Lee, Peter Dilvecchio.
Okay, we'll be seeing
There they are with their Oscars.
Oh, and another one coming soon.
Yeah,
next year.
too right.
We're on the hunt for something for them to sign. I think the sing-along songbook could be a solid shout. Sam, what do you think?
Wrong movie, unfortunately. We're going for Frozen 2,
but it does play Do You Want to Build a Snowman?
Yeah, we can sing along, get the whole audience involved, whole red carpet.
Yeah. Press once a year. It looks really good. Anything else?
Do you believe in Groovicorns?
I do. Do you believe in Groovicorns? Thumbs up if you do. I wrote that up at work.
Did you?
Yeah. And they come with different cards. I can sign them. Oh.
How much
Card game.
Oh yeah, get them.
They could sign their own character. Oh, it's £6 so. Journal!
Elsa's activity journal, it locks as well.
How much is that? Oh, that's £10. If Idina Menzel comes and sees that, I think I deserve
She's gonna be
a seat in the film. Quite the selection, but nothing that's really suitable. Another time filler. This one has quizzes. I think Sam's got a winner.
Don't mess with Bob.
Don't mess with Bob.
I'd love to sign that.
Can you imagine on the red carpet, like, hello, what's actually, you probably would enjoy that.
I probably would, I'm genuinely quite interested.
I think we found it, it's a Frozen magazine, comes with a friendship jewel kit, but this is the important thing, a big poster, it's a solid. This is it. And there's like multiple activities to keep us occupied.
What's inside the
Oh
car,
yeah.
so.
Yeah, we've got a crossword. I think this is it.
It's going to keep us mentally stimulated, all
This is it.
Snow style.
Okay, let's go get them. And it's got 70 stickers. What more could you ask for? Okay, we've come to scout out the location. They're still setting up. There we have it, Frozen 2, European premiere, Kristoff looking fine. And it looks pretty small.
Very small. We're here, BFI South Bank, ready to go. You're going to be in for quite a long way. But we're armed with food.
Oh yeah, Sam is padded up.
Gloves and hats.
Sandwich.
Frozen magazines. You can't see from that angle.
Yep, Frozen magazines. We'll be there soonish, kind of, maybe. Update, we've been waiting for about 2 hours getting frozen for Frozen. We love life. But I think it's almost time for us to go into the blue carpet, it might be, or red, I don't know. But look at these queens. Oh my god, she's so perfect. Hello, okay, it's an ice carpet. We're in! We're inside the premiere and it's finally happening.
It is happening.
We're right by where they go in. They're still setting up. This is the white carpet.
All the people in the place, make some noise!
Woo!
It's a long white carpet today. Yeah! Yeah! I got some freeness, who's interested?
So those footprints are me and Sam. We're on the white carpet.
Make some noise!
Oh my god, the reindeer are here. Sven is here, guys. He showed up. Just to quickly clarify, me and Sam got moved to a different pen right by the entrance to the cinema.
That's the door.
Yeah, that's the door, and we're right by it.
I don't know, you should
Let's hope this is a good decision, but we crossed the white carpet, so our footprints are on there. But it's about to start, and excitement from 1 to 10. So, yeah. Okay.
Tickets too.
Guys, we're seeing. Oh my god, please focus. We're seeing Frozen. We just got tickets to see it.
We wrapped on the red carpet for tickets.
We freaking wrapped.
We're gonna see it today.
Oh my god, we're Frozen. We literally just wrapped on the carpet. What the hell? This is the coolest thing that's ever happened.
Walt Disney Studios invites you to the European premiere, Frozen 2.
What? I'm like shaking. Jennifer Lee is here. Oh my gosh, a queen. Luke Evans is over here. Gaston is over here. Jonathan Groff is here. It's Jessie from Glee. Turn around, please. Oh, look. Beautiful. Oh my gosh, she's a queen. Thank you. Yes. Thank you. Thank you so much. Should we do a photo?
Yeah.
We've got Jennifer Lee in the can. Oh my god, Idina freaking Menzel is over there. What?
exciting. It's really
It's crazy.
And we're watching the interviews. We decided to just come in because it was cold and
With our ticket.
yeah, the winning life. And Adina's currently being interviewed outside. And we're so ready for the film. Oh my god.
Of course, Bobby and Kristen, who couldn't be here as well, who have created another iconic soundtrack, and we're just thrilled to be here finally celebrating it with all of you.
Adina, what are you most proud of for the film?
I'm most proud of the people standing up here. They're the most collaborative, creative team I've ever worked with, and the most talented and smartest. And I'm most proud of the message, really, of the film. There's a lot of incredible themes, as you'll see, but I guess it's the one that allows me to connect with all the young people out there in the world and sort of speak to them about their self-esteem, and to reinforce what we all need to hear, no matter how old we are, that what makes us really unique in the world is what makes us special. So.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for being here for this wonderful evening. Enjoy the film, ladies and gentlemen. Huge round of
What is life? Yeah. Guys, we just got out of seeing Frozen 2, like the first people in Europe to see it.
It was such a stunning film. The story was beautiful. The animation is incredible.
The water.
We watched it with the cast in the room.
Yeah, we watched it with Dean Mazel and Josh Gad, Jonathan Groff, Jennifer.
Right up behind us, Jennifer Lee, Chris Burke, Peter
The
Delvecchio.
water, that's what I just want to say, was
In all states, frozen state, liquid form.
I don't know how they.
No spoilers though.
No, I don't want to spoil, but I will say. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, too much is happening. Show yourself.
Goosebumps.
I mean, let it go. Who? Like it.
When it was when the opening production card came on, Disney, the Walt Disney Animation Studios,
And like the fact that we knew we were in the room with them, and obviously we were applauding after every number.
Crazy.
So funny. There's definitely a nod to the for the first time in forever Frozen single in Hollywood Studios. I'm gonna say that. There is a big nod. I'm so happy. I'm gonna talk back
not
on
to mention, we were on the second row.
yeah, row B. Like, come on. Oh, there's London Eye. Hello. I'm just
Little things.
words. Owl speaking. Oh, do I end it now?
It was crazy. What a night. Best cinematic experience.
I don't think I'm gonna calm down. Wow, guys. What? I just got in after one of the best days ever. Oh my gosh, Disney magic in London. I love life right now, and I feel like I'm not gonna sleep. I've got beans on toast on right now. I say on. The toast is in the microwave. The toast is in the toaster and the beans are in the microwave. So I'm gonna whip that up because it's 8:45 and I need some food. And I'm gonna warm up, take a hot shower, and just try and process the fact that I just watched Frozen 2 before anyone else in Europe with Adina Menzel and Josh Gad and Jennifer Lee and Jonathan Groff, and in the same room as them. What? If you enjoyed this little insight into my life, it's not normally like this, give it a thumbs up because this has been insane. Subscribe for more. I will try and make the next video half as good as this. Maybe that's a bit optimistic, but yeah, I love life. Frozen's incredible. Go see it as soon as you can. I will be going again as planned on November 22nd with my friend, and that probably won't be the last time. I love life. Life loves you. Magic is real. Good night, guys.